Ani and Maya from Santa.
Yay! Oh, thank you. Look it! Look at this!
You got like 100
Oh my gosh, we have to open this right now. We have to. Look at her. Look at her really fast. Look at her face.
That-
Sorry, she hit you. Look at her face. Dad, open it.
Who's in there? Do you recognize anybody?
Rapunzel, Moana.
Maybe Cinderella, yeah. That's Mulan.
Merida.
Tiana.
Tiana.
Jasmine.
Jasmine. Belle. Don't tell me.
Wait,
I didn't see a turtle.
that's Jasmine.
Jasmine.
Who's that back there? Oh, it's Pocahontas.
Ariel.
Aurora.
Aurora.
Disney here.
What did you get?
Snow White. That's Vanellope.
Ooh, Lego.
It's Snow White. You guys ready to open it up?
Yes.
Let's do it!
Coconut drink.
Moana, she's got a hashtag shiny for Tamatoa. First one out, she's got the Heart of Tafiti, her shiny, hashtag shiny Tamatoa shirt, and she's got a little coconut drink. Do you love her? Cinderella, look at her shirt. It's got a carriage on her shirt. She's got her glass slipper, carriage shirt. Mulan has this cool jacket. Look at her coat.
Here's Rapunzel.
My favorite, Rapunzel. She's got a snuggly duckling shirt. Look at these pants. Rapunzel's coming out next. I have to be very careful cutting this hair, right, Anya? What happens if I cut Rapunzel's hair?
Her hair will all turn brown.
Yep, it'll all turn brown. She loses her magic powers, or so we thought, right?
Yeah. But it's just a doll.
It's just a doll.
Yeah.
She's real.
I know she's not real. She's just a doll.
There's Rapunzel. Look at that face. Snow White. Look at that. She's got glasses. She got a poison shirt. Snow White. Bend her arms. Look, their arms move. Rapunzel, get out of my shot.
Sorry, can't. One of you is hurt.
Vanellope. Vanellope. Merida. Mom. Merida. You know what I think is really neat? Their hair, like the textures are totally different. Isn't that cool? And Moana's. Big worm. Look at this. Aurora. She's got a cup of coffee or tea or hot chocolate. A nap queen. You're a nap queen too, right, B? Yeah, right. You want to take a nap? How about now? How about now? You want to take a nappy? Pocahontas back there, blue corn moon. Snow White, you already had your turn.
Pocahontas!
Pocahontas! Look, she's got the blue corn moon shirt. Remember that song? Do you want me to sing it?
Yeah.
Have you ever heard the wolf cry in the blue corn moon? How's my singing?
Yucky.
Yeah. Ariel. Look at this shirt. Gizmos and who's-its and what's-its and snarf-blats and dingle-hoppers. Her shorts. A little bit of staining on her legs, no big deal, and on her shoulders. Disney. Belle, BFF, Beast Friends Forever.
Look at that.
Belle, BFF, Beast Friends Forever. Jasmine, what's her shirt say?
Wishes.
Wishes. Look at these pants.
Jasmine.
Jasmine. She has her Wishes shirt. Turn her around. Let's see her hair. Wow. Pretty.
Her hair's a little crunchy.
It's a little crunchy. Why? Did you take a bite of it?
No.
Do you want to?
No.
Tiana. She's got her New Orleans NOLA shirt.
Tiana.
Let's see the back of it. You said that these princesses are all running away from me?
Yeah, because you're too big.
Am I Wreck-It Ralph? Is Daddy Wreck-It Ralph?
No, because you're a monster.
Really?
I'm kidding.
Okay, jeez. Did you like these?
I like different.
They're pretty cool, a little bit different than all the other dolls you have. Which one's your favorite, B?
Different.
Ariel's your favorite? How about you, Ani? Who's your favorite?
Belle.
Belle's your favorite?
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe.
See you next time. Big kiss. Let's give a Christmas kiss.